Hi friends, welcome back to our channel. Hope everyone is doing well. Today was such a nice day. The weather was close to 80 degrees, so we ventured out to Cornerstone Park in Henderson. We got some exercise and walked around the lake, and we saw a variety of geese and ducks surrounding the lake. When we got back home, we cooked southern fried apples for dessert. It's such a quick and easy dessert. It only takes about 15 minutes. So keep watching. Okay, hi friends. So today we are making southern fried apples with vanilla ice cream. It is a recipe that is at Crackle Barrel. So we are doing a copycat one of that. It's got some semen with it too. So it's going to be really delicious. So first I'm peeling the apple. And then I want to cut them all up. So these are Granny Smith apples. We chose to use Granny Smith. And you want to peel it as soon as you're ready to start baking this dish, because the apples do turn pretty quick. All right, so this recipe calls for 4 apples. We're going to change it up a little bit. We're doing 3 apples you saw me. So instead of doing the full stick of butter, I'm going to do about 3/4 of this stick of butter. So about that much there. So now I'm going to put this one in the cast iron pan here. All right, so melt that, and then we'll start adding the other ingredients. All right, now we've got a 1/2 cup of sugar we're adding to this, now that the butter's melted. And then also 2 teaspoons of cinnamon. And then we're gonna whisk this in. Butter and sugar on that. Okay, so now we're gonna start adding the apples. So nice and soft. Couple minutes in, just toss them around, get a nice coating all over this. So you can see the sugar and butter and cinnamon mixture is getting a little bit thicker. And it's starting to bubble up and smell really nice too. And they say to make it in a cast iron pan is the best way to go for this stuff, for fried apples. With the side of vanilla ice cream. All right, that's it. That is a wrap. This is delicious. I'm gonna go ahead and enjoy this dessert. It's a perfect dessert for this time of weather and a little bit cold outside. So enjoy and continue watching our videos. Subscribe and hit that thumbs up button and notification bell so you can get another video notification when we have another post soon. So we'll see you soon. Thank you. Bye-bye.